Hey guys, a few more things that I neglected to mention that I want to make sure that you have this information. First thing is green smoothies. Green smoothies, guys, this is a very easy way to add nutrition to your diet. There are a whole bunch of green smoothie books out here. I have this one. This one doesn't have any pictures, but I decided that I was okay with that because a lot of them will probably look the same like this, maybe a little bit different colors. But I like this book. Another very helpful thing that we have done is IV therapy. I really love the immune one. High doses of vitamin C can be very helpful in even healing things like cancer. And I really like the Myers one that can help with inflammation, and inflammation causes a lot of problems in our bodies. Also, it's very helpful to make sure that you're stretching and moving with the yoga. I talked about restorative yoga before too, but I really wanted to talk about fascia rolling. Fascia rolling is something that a lot of people don't know about. Fascia is that papery stuff. I think it's kind of like papery, plasticky kind of stuff that covers the meat, the muscle. I don't know if you've ever seen it, but it's very important in our bodies and our systems. They say that you can't tell, a person from the look of their bones, but from their fascia you can. It's so personal. But fascia is the stuff that will heal kind of rough or tense when we go through traumas, like the surgeries or the car accidents or whatever. We end up with this fascia that heals, the back of our necks and our shoulders and our joints, everywhere. Even in our organs, we have fascia surrounding them, and they will tighten up and tense up and cause us to, in our older ages, be misshapen and more in pain and hunched over. And when we do fascia rolling on a regular basis, it's very beneficial for our body. It helps our lymph to move. And lymph is something that doesn't have its own system. It doesn't have its own pump. We have to actually move it to get the toxins moving. So we will roll our body in the general direction of going to our spleen and our kidneys for the toxins to be processed. And I want to tell you, fascia rolling is where it's at, guys. It's the best. I have spent so much money on massage therapists and chiropractors, and I gotta say too, I'm so thankful for massage therapists and chiropractors and the people who really go into studying what needs to be done for the body. But I'm grateful for the tool of fascia rolling. I can roll through my whole entire body, roll through certain muscles, that are giving me pain. And you have to be aware of major tendons because those are the structures, supports, and you don't want to ruin what holds your body up. But go to a class or two and see what fascia rolling is all about. I do have a roller here. This is kind of what a fascia roller looks like. It looks a little bit stained up, but very beneficial. And I got my first surgeries when I was 19 on my hips, and the doctors told me that I was young and that I didn't need to go to physical therapy, and my body kind of healed in this like twisted way, and I have had a lot of pain because of it. Although I'm very grateful for those surgeons too. It was a miracle to have the surgery that I needed, which is very rare to be right in Salt Lake City. And so I'm so thankful for those doctors. But I was kind of in this way where I wasn't able to move or stretch. And I just kind of thought that this was how my body was. And I had my replacement surgeries when I was 39. And in the replacement surgeries, my body was my hips were put in a different place, kind of where they were originally meant to be, I guess. With the new replacements, they were able to do that. And so my body had to readjust completely. I had to learn how to walk again. And that was exhausting, difficult. But basically from the time I woke up from the surgery, I had this pain from my leg, like as if it was like just twisted around during the surgery, and it was freaking out. And a friend told me about fascia rolling, told me about yoga, this yoga place, and I fascia rolled religiously for 5 days, as much as I could. Over a 3-month course of time, I was able to correct my body, correct my posture, get my leg to stop freaking out. And I'm telling you, it is amazing. So if you have anything like that nearby, or I don't know, maybe you could make something. It's kind of like a PVC pipe. They put it like a carpet on there, but this one's made specifically for the right amount of density that you need. Anyways, I just wanted to share those things with you too. All of these things help. Everything that you can do, everything that you can add to your routine of self-care and taking care of yourself will help in this healing process. I love you. Bye.